In the realm of health and wellness, intermittent fasting, has emerged as a compelling strategy, captivating the attention of those seeking weight management and an array of potential health benefits. By strategically cycling between periods of eating and fasting, intermittent fasting has become a powerful tool for optimizing physical and mental well-being. Understanding intermittent fasting. At its core, intermittent fasting transcends the traditional focus on specific diets or food choices. Instead, it revolves around the timing of meals. Popular methods include 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and restricting eating to an 8-hour window, typically from noon to 8 p.m. 5:2 method. Adopting a normal diet for 5 days and significantly reducing caloric intake, 500 to 600 calories, for 2 non-consecutive days. Eat Stop Eat method. Incorporating 24-hour fasting once or twice a week. The science behind it. Weight management. A fundamental reason individuals embrace intermittent fasting is its efficacy in weight management. Participants often naturally consume fewer calories by limiting the eating window, creating a calorie deficit, and promoting weight loss. Improved metabolism. I may enhance metabolic health by increasing insulin sensitivity. This heightened sensitivity can lead to improved blood sugar control, potentially reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Cellular repair and autophagy. During fasting periods, the body undergoes autophagy, where cells remove damaged components. This cellular rejuvenation contributes to longevity and overall health. Heart health. Research suggests intermittent fasting can positively impact cardiovascular health by reducing risk factors such as blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglycerides. Brain health. I may have neuroprotective effects, fostering brain health and potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Additionally, it stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein associated with cognitive function. Tips for successful intermittent fasting. Stay hydrated. Adequate hydration is crucial during fasting periods. Water not only helps control hunger, but also supports overall well-being. Choose nutrient-dense foods. Breaking the fast with nutrient-dense, balanced meals ensures your body receives essential vitamins and minerals. Listen to your body. Individual responses to intermittent fasting vary. Pay attention to hunger cues and adjust your fasting window to align with your body's needs and lifestyle. Combine with a healthy lifestyle. Integrate intermittent fasting into a holistic approach that includes regular exercise and a balanced, nutritious diet for optimal results. Considerations and precautions. While intermittent fasting holds promise, it may not be suitable for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with a history of eating disorders, and those with certain medical conditions should consult healthcare professionals before embarking on an intermittent fasting journey. Conclusion. Intermittent fasting is more than a fleeting trend. It is a lifestyle approach supported by scientific inquiry. When approached responsibly and tailored to individual needs, it offers benefits beyond weight management, including improved metabolic health, cellular repair, and potential heart and brain health advantages. As with any significant dietary shift, consulting healthcare professionals ensures intermittent fasting aligns with personal goals and well-being. Embrace the potential of intermittent fasting as a tool for unlocking a healthier, more vibrant life.